Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, May 13th. Couple of active days here in the Mid-Atlantic region thanks to a couple of cold frontal systems. One cold front will produce some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon into the early part of the evening, and then a secondary cold front will cause showers and thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon and early evening. Any of these thunderstorms can be on the strong to severe side, especially Saturday afternoon, as that cold frontal system will be just on the front edge of a very cold air mass for this time of the year. Sunday and Monday will be well below normal for this time of the year. Temperatures Sunday night into early Monday could drop into the upper 30s in some suburban locations along the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City. Quite a cold shot coming. In fact, there could be some snowflakes in some of the higher elevation locations later Sunday evening. Places like eastern West Virginia, western Pennsylvania, upstate New York certainly can see some snowflakes, as indeed it'll be quite a chilly air mass for this time of the year. It does turn warmer next week, but there will also be multiple chances for some rain, and there could even be some significant rainfall later next week. Well, let's start off by looking at the latest surface map. Again, two cold frontal systems to deal with over the next 48 hours or so. Here's the first one right here, slowly moving across western Pennsylvania right now, and here's the second one over the upper part of the Midwest. This one is producing a band of showers and embedded thunderstorms, and again, any thunderstorm this afternoon could be on the strong side. Tomorrow afternoon's frontal passage right in here right now is where this frontal system currently exists, can produce some severe thunderstorms in the Mid-Atlantic region. Very chilly air following that second cold frontal system for Sunday and Monday for this time of the year, backed up by strong Canadian high pressure that is currently located up across central Canada. Well, let's walk through some forecast maps from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. Again, there's two separate systems coming over the next 36 hours or so. First of all, a cold frontal system right now pressing towards the East Coast, and then a secondary cold front will arrive late Saturday night, both of which are supported quite nicely in the upper part of the atmosphere. This is the vorticity forecast here for this morning from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. Pretty nice little shortwave right here cutting across the eastern Great Lakes, and here's a deeper upper level low over south central Canada as of early today, and this is associated with that second cold front that will arrive late tomorrow. Let's now kind of walk through. Again, this is a 12-hour forecast from last night. Let's move ahead another 6 hours here. You can see that headed right towards the I-95 corridor, and then by early this evening, that shortwave right on top of the I-95 corridor. Showers certainly during the midday and afternoon hours in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor, and there can be a thunderstorm this afternoon into the early part of the evening. Some of those thunderstorms can be on the strong side. Let's now move ahead into tomorrow's picture. Here's late tonight and then early tomorrow morning, the second upper level feature here over the Great Lakes as of Saturday morning, headed right for the I-95 corridor. Let's jump ahead another 6 hours, and here you go. By Saturday evening, kind of a negatively tilted trough here in the eastern part of the nation. Again, a better chance for some severe thunderstorm activity comes with the second front later Saturday, early Saturday night. Can be some strong thunderstorms this afternoon, but a better chance of strong to severe thunderstorm activity Saturday afternoon, early part of Saturday night. Again, this feature backed up by some cold Canadian air for this time of the year. Let's jump out ahead as we proceed towards Sunday morning. Here's the Sunday morning 500 millibar forecast map. Deep upper level low sitting right on top of the northeastern part of the U.S., southeastern part of Canada. Very chilly air mass for this time of the year. Again, low temperatures late Sunday night, early Monday morning could drop into the 30s in some suburban locations of D.C., Philadelphia, New York City to the north and west of those big cities. Well, let's now walk through the forecast maps from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. All these maps available from tropicaltidbits.com. This is the forecast for early today, Friday morning. Here's low pressure over southeastern Canada, the cold front, as we saw just a moment ago on the surface map, draped across western Pennsylvania, West Virginia, a band of showers associated with it. Let's now walk through 6 hours later. Showers right over us during the midday hours. Certainly late morning in D.C. it can be raining. Midday hours in Philadelphia and mid to early afternoon in the New York City metro region. And here's the forecast map for early tonight. Pretty much pulling out of the region. D.C. area should be done by the end of the afternoon. Philadelphia maybe by 7 or 8 p.m. the threat for showers should diminish, and maybe 8 or 9 p.m. across the New York City metro region. That's for this evening. And again, can be some strong thunderstorms mixing into the picture this afternoon. Let's now jump ahead and look at tomorrow's frontal system. And here we go, late tonight, early tomorrow morning. This is Saturday morning forecast map. Now, by Saturday afternoon, that next cold frontal system moving right into the I-95 corridor. A band of showers, and again, there can be some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon into the early part of the evening. This is the forecast map for Saturday evening. Notice here a little bit of blue showing up here in West Virginia. Indeed, this is a cold air mass for this time of the year. Jump ahead another 6 hours into late tomorrow night. The winds will become gusty late tomorrow night into Sunday, up to 30 miles per hour or so out of the northwest. Again, there can be a strong to severe thunderstorm Saturday afternoon into the early evening hours. Let's now jump ahead another 6 hours, and here is the Sunday morning forecast map. Strong pressure gradient showing up here in the northeast U.S. Northwest winds up to 30 miles per hour or so. High temperatures will struggle to get out of the 50s in the big cities. Well below normal for this time of the year. Let's go another 6 hours and look and see all this blue starting to show up in the higher elevation locations of western Pennsylvania, upstate New York, even over the sections of West Virginia. Another 6 hours, and the pressure gradient starting to relax a little bit to the south and west. Still quite a tight pressure gradient to the north and east. So the winds will continue right into Sunday evening, and then they'll diminish quite rapidly as soon as sun sets Sunday evening, as this high pressure moves right on top of the region. And let's now jump ahead to Monday morning. Here we go, high pressure sitting over the North Carolina area, western part of North Carolina. Still a bit of a breeze in the I-95 corridor, but cold. Low temperatures could be in the upper 30s in some suburban locations by early Monday morning. So an active weather pattern over the next couple of days. Showers and embedded strong thunderstorms this afternoon into the early part of the evening. And again, a repeat performance. Showers and embedded strong to severe thunderstorms Saturday afternoon into the early evening. Much cooler and windy on Sunday. Quite cold Sunday night, early Monday, and then again Monday night, early Tuesday. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.